Alright, here we go. Another hot one for y'all. This time we're shooting in the shade. And, well, Mr. Gunwall1, he did a video a little while back of a shot shell cider enter for a 12 gauge. And I was like, you know what, I commented on his video, I got one of those too, never used it, but I got was a Fiocchi, I believe, and this one is an I don't know-y, because I can't remember what it is. Maybe it's in the instructions. This is the first time I'm opening it up, so this is what you get in the package. You get your little sighty, you get your big fly. Maybe we have the brand right here, but it comes with the batteries. Shouldn't need the instructions. I mean, this stuff should be easy enough to figure out. Wow, comes with 6 batteries. So I guess you gotta recharge if you. That's good that they gave that many. I'm assuming you just open it up like so. And you put the batteries down. Alright, now I have it the proper way. And I guess to turn it off, just unscrew it enough to just turn it off. But here we go. Let us. Probably not going to be able to see this from this far. I'm probably going to have to get a little bit closer and work my way back. Now, high radiation. Alright, we're back at roughly 45-50 yards. This is going to be a pass-fail test out the gate. One try, that's it. I'm just when I deal with these bore sights. Usually the best you're going to get is on paper. So as long as I can hit paper on this, it will be considered a pass. If I don't hit paper, it's a fail right out the gate. It's one shot, that's it. Pass. I've got some Federal True Ball slugs, 12 gauge, that I will be using. Alright, we got paper. So that is a pass. The bore sighter will definitely get you on paper. Good enough. That's about all you can expect right there. Safe. That would be good enough for me for a shoulder shot. I'll try it here after a while again in a little bit and just see how we're doing on it. But yeah, as for the laser bore sight, if you find this red one with the gold backing, copper, whatever you want to call it, on Amazon, it's a go. It will get you on paper. And if I wouldn't have got over carried away on the initial adjustments on here, I probably would have had it sighted in, or I would have had it in good enough standards within 2 shots. The first shot and then the second shot. Well, 3. Because I shot the first time, I overdid it. It went way down low, made a little bit click over a little bit, wasn't enough to the right and up. Anyway, it's a go. I like it. That's the laser bore sight 12 gauge on Amazon. Right there. Thanks for watching.